In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a watch list in TradingView. TradingView is a powerful tool for investors and traders alike, offering features that help you streamline your trading strategy. One such feature is the ability to import a watch list. If you're new to this or just need a refresher, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process. First, open TradingView and head over to the chart section. This is your starting point in TradingView, where you can observe detailed market graphs and analyze various stocks or assets you're interested in. Once you're on the chart page, look towards the right-hand side of the screen where you'll find an area dedicated to your watch list. This watch list is essentially your trading dashboard, serving as a quick way to keep track of all the instruments you're currently interested in. Now, alongside the label for the watch list, you'll notice a small arrow. It might be easy to overlook, but this little arrow is your gateway to customization features. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you can manage different lists, add new ones, or, as we're focused on today, import an existing list. In the drop-down menu, click on Import List to proceed. This is where you'll upload the list of stocks or other assets that you want to keep an eye on. Typically, you'll have this list as a CSV file, which is a common format for spreadsheets, easy to edit and supported by many platforms. Importing a list can save you the time and effort of manually adding each item one at a time. If you have a set of stocks you follow regularly, or if you're switching from another platform to TradingView, this feature will be especially handy. While importing, just ensure that your file is properly formatted with the correct data, like the ticker symbols, which TradingView uses to identify stocks and other financial instruments accurately. Once you select Import List, you'll be prompted to upload your file. After you've done this, TradingView will process the file and update your watch list. This streamlined process not only ensures your watch list is populated quickly, but also enhances your efficiency in observing the market, helping you focus more on analysis rather than data entry. That's all it takes to import a watch list into TradingView. Simple, straightforward, and incredibly useful for anyone looking to enhance their trading setup. Just remember, you can always manage and adjust your watch list as needed, allowing you to adapt to market changes with ease. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how this feature can improve your trading workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.